on how to participate in, effectively, a Sailboat Retrospective innovation game. So once you have the hyperlink, and if there's a password, I've entered the password in, you can log in anonymously and use whichever name that you wish, your real name or otherwise. Just remember that all SAFe Collaborate forums track everything that occurs during the event. The first thing that you'll want to do once you log in is listen for cues from your facilitator. They will be giving you instructions specific to how they're facilitating the event. There are four main components in the Sailboat Retrospective. There are goals, help, hindering, and risks. Most of these are obvious. For example, hindering is anchors, and if there's something in your retro that you would like to bring up that actually caused an impediment or hindered your team, you would add a hindering item below the waterline as an anchor and place the item in the area over here. I will demonstrate that in a few minutes. If there's something that helped or gave the sailboat or your team some wind and helped you move forward, then that is a wind item, and we would place those anywhere above the waterline in this rough area where I'm navigating. Consequently, if there are some goals that the team has that you'd like to look forward to in the future, and you have ideas for improvements, or any other type of goal, you can add a goal item to the goal area. And risks are those things that can obviously cause harm to our team or the organization, and you would put your risk items down below the waterline near the risk area. If you click on the chat icon on the left, you can chat with anyone that is currently in the forum, so utilize that feature as you will. If you click on people, you will see everyone that is logged in and their anonymous login, or if they're registered, you'll see their registered login information. If you click on items, which is the area that you will use the most in this tool, there are four different types, as I alluded to. In order to create a new item on the board, you need to left click and hold on the icon, not on goals or any other element. You left and click on the icon and you hold it and you drag it over to the area that you'd like to create the item. So as an example, it will open up an add item form. You can type in the name and the description as you wish and click create, and then you will see your item on the page. Once an item is created, you can hover over it to see what the details are, and you can also click and move them around as you see fit to organize your items. The other three item types work the same way. If I want to create a risk, team may be on excessive leave, for example, which is great, and that would appear here. So when you're participating, this is the basics of how to navigate and use the tool. I hope you found this helpful.